Hi children, this is the first unit in your English. Okay, the theme of your first unit is humor children. In this unit it consists of 2 lessons and 1 poem. The first lesson is the snake and the mirror, and the second one is poem the duck and the kangaroo, and the third one is the little Bobby. This is the home page of your unit children. Here you can see a picture where the 2 kittens are playing the chess. I think which makes you laugh, isn't it or not? Okay, this is the rare picture, and this is which is very different picture which makes you laugh. Okay, and what is the meaning of this humor now? Okay, the experience or a situation which makes you laugh is called a humor. Okay, here is one more picture related to the humor children. Okay, based upon this you have questions also. You can see down here 2 questions are there. Okay, look at the picture and answer the questions that follows. Okay, here what is the picture about? A monkey is there and a mirror is there. Here the monkey is watching its own reflection in the mirror. Okay, here based upon this picture, here you have 2 questions children. The what would have prompted the monkey to look at its own reflection in the mirror? Okay, whenever a monkey is watching its own reflection, who makes the monkey to see its own reflection in the mirror, or which situation makes the monkey to watch its own reflection in the mirror? Okay, second one is what could be the monkey thinking at this point? Whenever we see our own reflection in the mirror, we feel something in our mind, isn't it or not? In the same way, whenever the monkey is watching its own reflection in the mirror, what the monkey is thinking in its mind? Okay, this is the second question. And one more thing is there children. Here you can see you have to write a speech or the role of humor in our life. Okay, here role of humor means what? Okay, role of fun. Okay, role of fun in our life, whether it is important, whether it is needed or not. Okay, we are very busy in our schedules, our parents are so busy, whether the humor is important for their life or not, you have to write a speech over this. Okay, now here is our first lesson children, the snake and the mirror. Okay, this is the home page of your first lesson. Okay, here is the picture related to this lesson. Here you can see a man sitting in front of the mirror. Okay, and the situation of this house where he was staying you can see, and this is the second page. Okay, there you can see the snake in front of the mirror, and the third one, okay, something has happened, he vacated all the things whatever the present in the room in the front page. Okay, something has happened in the last picture of this lesson, and this lesson is actually written by Vaikam Muhammad Bashir children. He was born on 21st January 1908 and 5th July 1994 he was died. Okay, he was a Malayalam fiction writer from the state of Kerala in India. He was an Indian writer only, but he belongs to Malayalam, and he was a humanist, freedom fighter, novelist, and a short story writer also. Okay, he is noted for his down to earth style of writing that made him equally popular among the literary critics as well as the common man. He is recognized as one of the most successful and outstanding writers from India. Okay, down to earth style means he writes all the stories from the considering the human values. Okay, each and every point for the human beings is taken into the account, and he write its stories. Okay, translation of his works into other languages have won him worldwide acclaim. Means translating works. Okay, the books which are written in other languages also he have translated into the his own language, that is Malayalam. Okay, which makes him worldwide acclaim means famous. Okay, the story the snake and the mirror was translated into English. Actually this lesson is written in Malayalam and it is translated into English, and this English translation is done by okay V Abdullah it seems children, and his notable works include okay Balaya Kala Sakshi and Shabdangal, Mithukul and Anarga Nimsham. He was awarded the Padma Shri in 1982. He is fondly remembered as a Baipur Sultan. Okay, thank you children. Read this story if needed. Here is the pictures. You can go on reading by stopping the video. Okay, go on reading, and tomorrow we'll discuss this story, and try to write this speech in your homework, as in homework. Okay children, thank you very much.